Welcome to Mars Xray.
Nature or something else. We explore the strange geometric anomalies found in the most latest 360 Mars footage. The Martian surface is famous for playing tricks on the human eye, but some recent 360 captures are harder to explain than others. In this episode, we conduct a deep dive analysis of anomalies, rocks formations, sharp edges, structures that stand out from the natural landscapes. We use image enhancement with various angles to see if these are just geological coincidence or something more profound. Explore every corner of this scan and screen. Decide for yourself. It's a Sol 1656. Dear friends, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.